Ocean animal videos are going viral right now. Have you seen those amazing ocean animal videos on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok? Giant whales swimming through deep blue water, colorful schools of fish moving together, glowing jellyfish, and massive sharks cruising through the ocean. These videos look cinematic, relaxing, and often get thousands of views. To create videos like these, first open ChatGPT. Now type ocean animal cinematic video ideas. ChatGPT will generate many different ocean animal concepts. At this point, it's completely up to you which animal you want to create a video about. Now type, for example, I want a white-colored dolphin and generate a detailed image prompt. Click generate. As you can see, the image prompt is being created. And now the image prompt is ready. Copy this prompt. Next, open your browser and search for Google Vids. Open the first website. This is the main Google Vids interface. Click the Get Started button. Now look at the right sidebar. You'll see several options. Click on the image option. Paste your image prompt. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Choose your preferred style. I will select photography, then click generate. Wait a few moments while the image is being created, and boom, the image is ready. Now let's animate the image. Go back to ChatGPT and type, "Give me a detailed video prompt for this scene." Click generate. ChatGPT will create a detailed video prompt. Copy the video prompt and return to Google Vids. Click on the image, then click insert button. Select the convert to video option. On the right side panel, paste the video prompt. Click generate. Wait a few seconds and your short ocean animal video is ready. Finally, export your video in vertical format. For more unique AI content ideas and tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.